Hey there! Welcome to this video where we're going to tackle a common problem faced by developers when implementing a GUI for the 15.6 operating system. The problem at hand revolves around setting up the mouse input and rendering cursor movement on the screen. Our developer friend has encountered issues with the kernel not picking up the mouse interrupts, even though the mouse is correctly placed on the virtio-mouse-device bus with IRQ number 1. Let's dive into how we can help solve this problem. In a solution provided by the developer, it was discovered that the kernel was not listening to the correct IRQ number for the virtio-mouse-device. Although IRQ1 was being monitored, it turned out that this was actually picking up disk interrupts instead of the mouse interrupts. By placing the virtio-mouse-device on bus point 2 and listening from IRQ3, the kernel was able to successfully read the mouse interrupts and render cursor movements on screen. A small change in settings led to a big breakthrough in solving the issue at hand. In summary, the key to resolving the problem of the kernel not picking up mouse interrupts lies in ensuring that the correct IRQ number and bus assignment are used for the virtio-mouse-device. By making this adjustment, developers can successfully implement the GUI for the 15.6 operating system with mouse input functionality. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!